Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your second screen and selecting Extend Mode so your desktop spans 2 displays. Open PowerPoint and Zoom now. You want both running. In PowerPoint's Slideshow tab, choose Use Presenter View and pick which monitor shows slides versus notes. Once done, position your presenter window on the laptop screen where you'll see notes. Make sure the full screen slide shows on the external screen. This initial alignment prevents accidental sharing of your notes later and saves time when you join the meeting. Now you'll share the correct display in Zoom. Click Share Screen, then choose the screen where the full slides appear. Avoid selecting the window labeled Presenter View. If your slides include video or audio, tick Share Computer Sound so attendees hear media clearly. Once sharing, confirm participants see the slide content and not your notes. Use the Zoom preview or ask someone to confirm. If you need to annotate, use Zoom's annotation tools rather than switching windows, because switching can disrupt the presenter view mapping. To finish, stop sharing in Zoom and exit slideshow mode so PowerPoint returns to normal view. This restores your desktop. If participants report seeing your notes instead of slides, switch the Zoom shared display to the opposite monitor or change which monitor PowerPoint uses for slideshow. If audio or video lags, try lowering display resolution, enabling Share Computer Sound only when needed, or connecting by Ethernet. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling presenter view off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.